my channel and happy Saturday. So I thought in today's video I just wanted to share my luxury handbag collection, and I'm definitely a big neutral girl. So the bag that I tend to grab every single day is going to be my dark shade kind of luxury handbag. So that's it. I'm going to share my top 5 luxury handbag collection today with all of you. So I hope that this video can give you some inspiration, if not maybe some entertainment to hear me talking or to just watch me talking and giggling together. So without further ado, let's go started with the video. Oh yeah, before I forgot, if you're brand new to my channel, let me introduce myself. Hello, I'm June. I'm posting video every single week about my lifestyle, and my luxury handbag, of course, is very important. So if you are someone who loves to watch lifestyle video and luxury handbag video, please consider subscribing and ring that notification bell button so you will be notified every time I post a video like today. So let's go started! Alright guys, the first bag right here is my Chanel Business Affinity in a size small. This handbag, I wear it to death. I got it for 3 years. Okay, I think I don't want to go into too details because I did review some of my handbags already. I mean, individually review them in a detailed way. So if you really wanted to watch that kind of detailed review, you can just go to my other video. So today I will just mostly share about my top 5 dark shade luxury handbag. So this Business Affinity is my most worn luxury handbag at the moment. I love it. It's very practical, it's very pretty, it's elegant, easy to use. I have no complaint at all. It's carefree and it have dual kind of styling, because you can also put it as a crossbody, you can put it in a shoulder, you can also top handle it, and I feel that the size is just a perfect size. It's not too big, of course, it's a small bag. It's not too big, but I always feel that it fits enough for my essential. I even have, like, you know, a little bit of a free gap that I can fill in some other things that I wanted to bring sometimes. But yes, this is my most worn luxury handbag at the moment, which is my Chanel Business Affinity. Now move on to my second luxury handbag. This is my Prada tote bag. This bag give me a lot of sentimental kind of memory because this is my first ever luxury handbag. Can you imagine? My first ever luxury handbag, and I still remember I got it in Germany during our holiday, and at that time I think for 2 years I wore it to death, and it's still in a very good condition. It looks like brand new. It's definitely very carefree and it's super lightweight. I like it. I love it so much. And this bag, I feel that I always tend to grab this kind of tote bag whenever I go to work. But at the moment I'm not working, kind of like office kind of hours anymore, so I tend to not wear this tote bag anymore. But if I'm going back to my workforce, I definitely going to grab this bag again. And it's actually come with a crossbody strap right here as well, so it's just super versatile, it's super practical, it's lightweight, it's everything that you can ask for. And I think the price is very reasonable because, as you can see, it's kind of like a nylon mixed with some leather, so it's not like full leather. I love it just in this kind of combination. So this is my second dark shade luxury handbag that I would love to share with you. So guys, now move on to my number 3 dark shade luxury handbag. I think this is no-brainer because Mini Lady Dior, how can it not be included in this video, right? It's just pretty, it's elegant, it's super gorgeous, it's luxurious, it's puffy, it's shiny, it's glossy. I don't know what to say anymore about this bag. It's just like the most luxurious handbag that I ever owned, and I love it that it's come in this pattern leather because in that way it is look very glossy, and it also definitely comes in the shoulder strap. I love my bag in shoulder strap because that is how I tend to carry my bag. So even though a lot of my bag is like a top handle bag, but they always come with this shoulder strap, or you can also call it like crossbody strap. So it just make it very versatile because lifestyle evolve every single time and lifestyle change. So when you just want it to be top handle, you can, but when that lifestyle change that you just want it to be carefree and free up your hand, you can always sling it to your shoulder or sling it as a crossbody bag, which is just super great. So yes, this is my top 3 dark shade luxury handbag. Now guys, it's my number 4 dark shade luxury handbag, which is my Chanel. It's called like urban backpacker or something like that. Urban backpack. Yeah, I think it's urban backpack right here. It's come in a lambskin. Actually, this is the bag that I'm not really wearing at the moment because first, I'm not really like a backpack girl. I love my bag always in a top handle or either way in a crossbody and shoulder strap. So I tend to not grab any backpack. I think I only have like 3 backpack, but the backpack that I always tend to grab is of course my Longchamp kind of backpack, because that backpack is just very carefree. Is, you know, you can just throw it away and you don't even have to babysit it. But with this lambskin Chanel backpack, it's just so precious, and it comes in lambskin, meaning that it's very delicate. So I tend to just worry if I scratch it or something wrong happen to this Chanel backpack. So in that case, I tend to not grab it. But yes, this is a pretty bag. It fits so much. It's really fits so much. It looks not that big, but in real life it can fit so much. So I really love this backpack as well. It's just elegant, it's pretty, it's glossy, and it's not that heavy as you can see. And what really great is also come in this top handle option that you always can use, because sometimes if you just wanted to grab your backpack like this, it don't really looks that good or not really that elegant. But when you just grab your backpack in this kind of top handle, it's really make it super elegant and pretty. So this is my top 4 dark shade luxury handbag. So guys, now move on to the number 5 dark shade luxury handbag that I would love to share, and it is actually my latest collection, and this is none other than my Chanel. Oh my gosh, what is this name? Chanel COCO handle. I'm sorry, I just have some amnesia suddenly. So it's my Chanel COCO handle. It's actually not in a black color. So all 4 before is in a black color, but this one is in a dark kind of purple color. But it still looks like very dark shade. So it's still considered as a neutral for me, because I just easily compare this purple in every kind of my outfit and my look. So I still consider it as a neutral bag, and it's just super elegant. I really love it, although I would honestly say that I don't really use it that much yet, because it's still just brand new added to my collection. But I already been wearing it for twice or 3 times, and I've been loving it. It's just a practical bag. It's a pretty bag. You can always top handle it like this and put it as a crossbody bag. You can also put it in a shoulder as a shoulder bag. So it's just super pretty like this. And yes, this is my last dark shade luxury handbag that I would love to share. So guys, out of my 5 luxury handbags, which bag that you love the most? For me, I couldn't pick one, because I feel that each of the bag I will wear it to a different kind of occasion. Example, if I'm going to wear my business affinity, it's normally in my daily life. Like if I'm going out with my friends to have some high tea, or I'm going for a date with my husband, or just a weekend hangout with my family, I will always tend to grab my business affinity. In other way, if I'm going for some party or for, you know, night dinner or something like that. I wanted something to be more precious and luxurious. It's going to be my Lady Dior right here because it's just super great and it's really like shine up all your look and your outfit. So this is just a key masterpiece for a party kind of look. And for me, if I'm going for some travel, unfortunately we can't really go for some travel right now, but this is the bag that I always grab whenever I go to some travel. So yes, this can fit a lot and it's just super lightweight, it's super versatile. So this is my travel bag, although I always have some anxious as well whenever I bring it out during my travel. I just don't want anything to happen to my precious Chanel lambskin backpack. But yes, this is my kind of a travel handbag. And as I mentioned before, if I'm going to work, if I bring a lot of stuff, I'm definitely going to bring this tote bag. I feel that this tote bag is just make you look very professional. When I wear it to my office that time, like few years ago, I always get a compliment. They always say that it's a pretty bag and it's just super comfortable, because for me, definitely the number one is that it's comfortable and practical, and of course the aesthetic and the beautiness came second, because if it's not practical, how can you able enjoy your handbag? So yes, this is a really like a work office kind of handbag. So I would highly recommend if you are an office worker that going to office often. So I think this bag is going to be your favorite bag. So for this last bag, I still really identifying where I really wanted to bring it out, but I feel that this bag is just very versatile. You can definitely just dress it up during some party, and you can definitely also dress it down if you just wanted to hang out with your friends or just go out for a mall or some weekend like getaway. This is just a perfect bag. So I really love all my dark shade handbag. I feel that there's nothing can go wrong with dark shade bag. So this is my top 5 luxury handbag, and as always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me some likes and a subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.